Come along, Biscuit. It is time to visit the garden. Woof, woof. The garden is filled with so many things, Biscuit. Woof, woof. Just look at all the flowers and plants. Woof, woof. You found a butterfly, Biscuit. Woof, woof. You found a worm, too. Woof. Silly puppy, don't dig now. Woof, woof. Oh, Biscuit, you found a little bird. Is the little bird hungry? Woof, woof. Tweet, let's feed the bird, Biscuit. Woof, woof. Wait, Biscuit, what do you see? Woof. 2 more little birds. Tweet, tweet. Here, little birds. Here's some birdseed. Woof, woof. Come along, Biscuit. There's lots more to see. Tweet, woof, woof. Tweet, tweet, woof. Oh no, Biscuit, not the bird seed. Woof, woof. Tweet, 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 tweet. Just look at all of the birds now. Woof, woof. The garden is filled with so many things, Biscuit. Woof, woof. But you filled the garden with lots of birds, too. Tweet, tweet. Woof. If you like Biscuit, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. I'll see you next time. Bye!